Hello Clash Nation! This is Tiny Deluxe from the city of Pasig, Pasig City. And here are 6 facts about me. I was a contestant in Drag Race Philippines Season 2 where I placed 10th. Opo, talunan. So, for the Clash 2024, sumali ako dito kasi I want to bring drag to the mainstream, yung drag na nagla-live sing. As you all know, yung mga drag queens, yung mga drag artists, they are known for being lip syncers. Pero here I am, a live singing drag artist, and kailangan maraming makapanood at makaalam nun. At yes, marami akong ma-entertain, and I'm sure I'm gonna bring a whole new flavor to the Clash. Second, I love to cook as much as I love eating, kasi sabi ng lola ko, kung malakas ka kumain, dapat marunong ko magluto. Third, I am a makeup artist, and I've done celebrities like Pia Wurtzbach and Marina Summers. Fourth, I am a Libra, so I am an indecisive, hopeless romantic, people-pleasing work of art. Baka. Fifth, I am a singer and a makeup artist, pero wala po akong any professional training sa dalawang yon. Pero magaling ako. Wow! Lastly, I love my alone time, especially yung nanonood ng sine mag-isa. Kasi, ko, parang sa sinehan kasi it's a whole new world. Parang ang nandun sa pinapanood mo. So, parang ini-immerse ko yung sarili ko doon. And, grabe, yun lang yung alone time ko. Ibibigay ko na sa sarili ko. Tama. Again, this is Tiny Deluxe. And I hope marami kayong nalaman tungkol sa akin. And yeah, getting to know each other na pala tayo.